In the vast ocean of life, we often find ourselves sailing through turbulent waters, facing storms that threaten to consume us. Imagine being a small boat surrounded by towering waves, feeling helpless and overwhelmed by the power of nature. But even in the midst of chaos, there is a quiet strength within you, a resilience that refuses to be broken. As the winds howl and the waves crash, remember that you are not alone in this journey. Just like a lighthouse cutting through the darkness, there is a light within you that guides your way, a beacon of hope shining brightly even in the bleakest of moments. Embrace this inner light, for it is the source of your courage and determination. Life's challenges are like the ever-changing tides, sometimes gentle and soothing, other times fierce and unforgiving. It's easy to feel lost in the vastness of it all, to doubt your abilities and question your worth. But like a river carving through rock over time, you too possess the strength to shape your own path, to overcome obstacles and create new opportunities. Every setback you face is a chance to grow, to learn, to evolve into a stronger version of yourself. Just as a seed must break through the darkness of the earth to reach the sun, you too must push through the hardships to reach your full potential. Embrace the struggle, for it is the forge where your character is tempered and your spirit refined. In the silence of uncertainty, in the depths of despair, remember that within you lies a wellspring of resilience and courage. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, you have the power to emerge from the depths of adversity, renewed and reborn. Trust in your ability to endure, to persevere, to thrive against all odds. When the storms of life rage on, when the waves of doubt and fear threaten to pull you under, hold fast to the knowledge that you are capable, you are worthy, you are enough. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth, as stepping stones towards a brighter future. Let your inner light shine through the darkness, illuminating the path ahead with hope and possibility. In the tapestry of life, every thread of struggle and setback weaves together to create a stronger, more resilient you. Embrace the journey with an open heart and a steadfast mind, knowing that each trial and tribulation is a stepping stone towards greatness. You are a force of nature, a beacon of light in the darkness, a warrior of the human spirit. Embrace your strength, embrace your power, and embrace the boundless potential within you.